In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a GIF to a Klaviyo email template. Adding a GIF is a great way to bring a little motion and personality into your emails, and in Klaviyo, it's actually pretty straightforward once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and I'll also share a few practical tips so your GIFs look good and load quickly for your subscribers. First, you'll want to open the email template you want to edit. In your Klaviyo account, head over to the Content section, then choose Templates. From there, find the specific template you want to update and open it in the editor. This is where you control the layout, images, and text that appear in your email. Once the editor is open, you need to add a space for your GIF. On the left-hand side, you'll see the content blocks. Look for the image block. Click and drag that image block into your email layout and drop it exactly where you want the GIF to appear. You can place it above a text block, between sections, or at the bottom as a fun sign-off, depending on your design. With the image block in place, it's time to upload your GIF. Click on the Browse button inside that block. If your GIF is saved on your computer, select it from your files and upload it. If your GIF is hosted online, you may also see an option like Import from URL, where you can paste the direct link to the GIF file. Either way, once the file is uploaded, you should see a preview appear in the editor. Before you move on, it's important to check the file size. Klaviyo recommends keeping GIFs under 5 megabytes. Large files can load slowly, especially on mobile devices or slower connections, and that can hurt the overall experience. If your GIF is over 5 megabytes, consider shortening it, reducing the dimensions, or compressing it with an online tool before uploading. Next, make your GIF clickable. In the settings for that image block, look for the link address field. Paste the URL you want people to go to when they click your GIF, such as a product page, a collection, or a landing page. This turns your GIF into an engaging visual button that also drives traffic. When everything looks good, click Done in the block settings, then save your template. At this point, it's a good idea to send yourself a test email to confirm that the GIF animates correctly, loads quickly, and that the link is working as expected. Once you're happy with it, your animated GIF is ready to go in your Klaviyo email template.